Good morning, standard 9 students. Hey, so today I'm going to solve some questions from the rectilinear figure, which is based on the proving one. How to prove it? So prove, or whether you have to find the value or you have to prove it, you have to take the help of the property of the parallelogram. Then you can solve these questions. So first question. Suppose a parallelogram given, right? The bisector of the any two adjacent sides of a parallelogram meet at a 90 degree, that you have to prove. So let us suppose this is parallelogram, right? A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Bisector of A, say this one, bisector of A or bisector of B, this one, meet at O. Then we have to prove that this angle AOB will be 90 degree. Two adjacent sides. You can take this one as also, or you can take this one also. Bisector of this A, B, C, D. Then you have to prove this is 90 degree. 8. So adjacent side given, bisector of the adjacent side of a parallelogram meet at 90 degree, that we have to prove. So first, since it is parallelogram, we know that this angle, sum of this angle and this angle will be 180, because parallelogram, so it is co-interior angle, and co-interior angle value you know 180. But out of 180, what is the magnitude of this angle and what is the magnitude of this angle, we don't know. Then what we will do? We will suppose, let this angle is x, then this angle will be 180 degree minus x. Right? Now, since OA bisect angle O, and we have supposed this whole angle is x, so half of the angle x is x by 2, and this is x by 2. Right? Similarly, angle B 180 degree minus x. So half of 180 degree minus x, 90 degree minus x by 2, and this is also 90 degree minus x by 2, because BO bisect angle B. Right? Now in triangle AOB, this is triangle. The sum of all three angles will be equal to 180 degree. So angle A is x by 2 plus angle B is 90 degree minus x by 2 plus angle AOB, that is equal to 180 degree. So x by 2 cancel. So angle AOB is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, that is equal to 90 degree. Prove. Right? Same way, if you take this side, the same way, suppose this is x, then this is 180 minus x. AO bisect angle A, BO bisect angle B. Take half of the angle. Right? Prove it the same. Next, given ABCD is a parallelogram. Right? The bisector of opposite sides of a parallelograms are parallel, that you have to prove. Bisectors of, I solved the last question I solved, that about 11, question number 11 first, then this is 11 second. The bisector of the opposite angle of a parallelogram are parallel, that you have to prove. So suppose this angle, so this one say A B C D E, A bisect angle and opposite angle of A is C, then CF bisect angle C. Then we have to prove that AE will be equal to FC. So AE parallel to FC. So what are the conditions to prove the lines are parallel? Either you show that the alternate angles are equal, or you show that corresponding angles are equal, or you show that co-interior angle is 180 degrees. Now come to the property of the parallelogram. Opposite angle of parallelograms are equal, that you know. It means what is the magnitude of angle A? The same magnitude of angle C also. And AE bisect angle A, CF bisect angle C. So if we say that it is X, this will be also X. Right? Similarly, this will be also X, this will be also X. Now, since this is parallelogram, so this angle and this angle will be X. Now see, this one, this angle is X, this angle is also X, but these are corresponding angle. Right? This angle is X, this angle is also X, but these are corresponding angle. Hence, the lines are parallel because of the corresponding angle. Do you follow? This way, by using the property, you have to solve the questions based on this chapter. Many questions is already solved or given hints. Right? So, hope you will complete this chapter. Question number 18 see here. In a parallelogram ABCD, angle bisector of angle A, this one, meet DC in E, and AB is equal to given, AB is equal to twice AD given. Then we have to prove that B bisect angle B, first, second, angle AEB is 90 degree. 8. This one. Since, see how we are going to prove it. AE bisect angle means this angle and this angle value will be equal. Say it is X, then this is also X. Now this is X, then this is X, alternate angle. Right? Now in this triangle, two sides are equal. Two angles are equal. This angle and this angle. Means opposite side will be also equal. Right? Now join this one. You know that opposite sides are equal of the parallelogram. And this is equal to this value. So this is also equal. Means these two sides are equal. Means this angle and this angle are also, this angle and this angle are equal. Right? Opposite. And this angle are alternate angle. Right? So if it is X, this is also X, this is also X. So we come to know this one, B bisect angle B. Right? To prove AEB 90 degrees, same as the 11 first one what I proved. This is X, this is this total angle and total angle will be, sum of these two angles will be 180. So this is half, suppose Y, 8, Y, then this is 180 minus y, half of this portion y by 2, this is 90 degree minus y by 2. So y by 2 plus 90 degree minus y by 2 plus angle AEB is equal to 180 degree. Cancel. Angle AEB is equal to 90 degree. So this one is same as what you have put question number 11 first. Co-interior angle is 180. So one we suppose this is at, then this will be 180 minus y. Then bisect accordingly we have to put. Some more question I will solve next class. Before that, try to solve 5 to 6 questions from this exercise. Thank you.